Dude, I'm having a blast. I forgot that I even have a job. I'm on this like permanent vacation here since like Tuesday or something.
Yeah, look at this gathering, man. There's over 300 pilots. There's never been an FPV event this big. The biggest event so far was 187 pilots in France. And in order to do it, they had one group race one day, the other group race the other day. We couldn't even put them all together. Here we have 300 guys. There's people flying over there. There's people flying down there.
What do you think of what's going on right
This is fucking crazy. Over here. It's seriously
okay, well
crazy.
the gates are above people's heads,
Like,
so I understand the running.
This guy right there, he just recovered a quad
like,
from
right in the way of a gate?
from a gate.
I don't know whether he's
and there's
crazy,
quads
stupid,
flying past him like
both.
half a meter.
I don't know.
Insane.
That is
He's one brave dude, man.
yeah.
There's a girls team. Oh yeah. Well, that's pretty cool. No, wait, a full girls team? That's cool. We need more women in FPV. That's for sure. We need more women in
So I can tell you a crazy story about why I am considered a commercial smuggler in the United States.
The talent level that's over there on the World Cup track right now has never been gathered in one place ever yet. I'm worried there might be some sort of nuclear explosion if two of those quads hit head on.
Thank you.
So I have to ask, what would you do for a Klondike bar?
You don't want to know.
Negative. Oh, it's finally coming in. Hey!
Fields here working on the lap 2 of that very much still in the air. And he came with a 2.1 second lead, and now he's getting involved.
It was expensive. The internet hates me now, but it was a good event.